Okay, hello everybody, how are you? We're going to explain how to make the project about the living things. The project that we're going to make is a journal or a folder or a diary, call it as you want it, about living things. One per group, okay? So each group is going to find some information about plants and animals, but you can ask mom and dad to help you to find some information at home. Okay. For example, one group is going to do one tree, one animal, and another plant. Okay? A tree, a plant, and two animals. For example, Australia, a fir tree, a dolphin, a hamster, and carrot. And what type of information do we need? A photograph of the each one, a dolphin, a photograph of a hamster, a photograph of the carrot plant. The environment, what does it mean? Environment is where it lives. It lives in the countryside or in the city, in a farm maybe, okay? Okay, we need to know how is it born. Remember, some animals are born from eggs and other animals are born from their mother wombs, okay? And the plants, do you know that? They are born from the seeds. Needs. We need to know what these three needs are and what these animal needs are. For example, the food. Do they eat plants maybe? Do they eat other animals? Air, sand, soil, etc. Yes, do you remember this? Also, we need to know if it is a domestic or a wild animal. For example, dolphin or hamster are different, and hamster are different. One is domestic and the other is wild. Also, we need to know what type of products, what do we get from these living things. For example, wood from the tree, or meat from some animals, or air from the plants. Remember? Okay, so these are the examples of what we need to look for. Canada will find the pine, the eagle, the parrot, the tomato. UK, the orange tree, the lynx, the cow, the parsley. USA, apple tree, the seal, the dog, the lentils. Ireland, the banana tree, the bear, the clownfish, the chickpeas. And here it is, an example of the journal's cover. This is the journal, yes, this is the journal. And the cover is the first page you see, well, before you open it. So in the cover we're gonna write, for example, Canada's Living Thing Journal, and we're gonna put here one of your animals, okay? This animal, we're gonna make it in arts and crafts. And for example, this is the sheet for the plants. We need to put the name. For example, if it's a tomato plant, okay? Here. Needs. What does it need? Air, blah 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 blah. Okay? Things. The environment. Where does this tomato plant live? Okay, it can live in the countryside, or can it live in a house? Okay, or can it live in some different places? Reproduction, flower and fruit, because it is a plant. It has a flower and a fruit. Okay, so here we could put an image of a flower and another image of the fruit. Okay, products. What do we get from the plant? This plant. Well, we get tomatoes. Yes. Oh, tomatoes. Okay, and other things, and blah 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 blah. the animal's sheet will be like this. You need to put the name. For example, if it's a hamster, hamster name, hamster needs, blah blah blah. Environment, where does it live? Reproduction, is it born from an egg or is it born from their mothers? Okay, the products that we get from this animal. Maybe if you're talking about a cow, you know that from the cow we get milk, cheese, meat, leather. Okay, lots of things from a cow products. And what type of animal is this? The cow, is it domestic or wild? Okay, is it clear? I think this is easy. Okay, here it is, an example, a complete example already. Name: the pine tree needs water, sunlight, air, soil, environment, the countryside and cities. Reproduction: flowers and fruit. Look, we have a photo of the flower, a photo of the cone, the fruit, and a photo of the seed. And the products. Oh, we get from this tree the wood, the pine, and oxygen. And don't forget the photograph. We need to put a photograph, okay? And this is an example of the animal. As you see, is complete. Name: the cow needs blah blah blah. Environment: countryside and farms. Reproduction: blah blah blah. Products: blah blah blah. Domestic: blah blah blah. Okay, and the photograph. This is finished. Okay, remember the animals, and remember that you have to make a cover for your journal with the animal that you are given. Okay, so see you soon. Bye bye.